last minute back to school advice. That's coming up, so don't go away.
Now, direct from the Cool Film Movies Motion Picture Studios, Soundstage A, it's time for the Cool Film Movie Show. Now, here's your host of the Cool Film Movie Show.
Hello everybody and welcome to the show. As you know, I'm your host, and anyways, let's get right into today's video. So, if you're like many people, you're going back to school soon, or you've already gone back to school, which means it's perfect time for last minute back to school advice. Now, tip number 1, look for school supplies. Shop around at many shops. By this point, a lot of school supplies will be out. However, shop around, look for last minute sales. Lots of stores have them. Step 2, use a back to school list. So, when going back to school, oftentimes you're not going to know what you need for school supplies, which is why I recommend looking for a list of what your school recommends or what others recommend. Tip number 3, ask what teachers recommend. So once you go back to school on the first or second day, ask what school supplies the teachers recommend. The teachers know their course better than what you probably will. So, you should ask them to see what they recommend. Tip number 4, last minute review for the course. You should pretty much review a little bit before going into the course so you know a little bit. It helps keep the course a lot easier. I'm not saying go and do intense study sessions like you would in the middle of the school year. But what I'm saying is have a little bit of background knowledge on the courses you're about to take. So it does help to keep the course a little easier. And finally, tip number 5, enjoy summer. Now, with all this back to school stuff going on right now, it may feel like, oh no, my summer's over. And while it is coming to an end, you should enjoy your last days of summer, remembering that pretty soon you're going to have to go back to school and work really hard. Enjoy these last couple of days before you go back. Well, that about wraps up today's video. From all of us here at Cool Film Movies, have a great rest of your day! Hey there, I see you found the Cool Film Movies YouTube channel. Well, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that bell notification button so you never miss a new episode. From all of us here at the channel, have a great rest of your day.